Okay, so this video is going to show you how to properly place this new bike inventory tracking tag on a handlebar of a bicycle. This replaces the tags that we were formerly putting on the fork, so we're no longer doing that. You will not use a piggyback label with this. So in order to use this properly, we want to make sure it's consistent on each floor. We want to make sure it's consistent across the stores. We want all these bikes to have the same kind of appearance no matter where they are. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to take the Ascend tag and place it inside of this outline box and try to get it on their center to make it neat so it looks good. This tag is similar to the used bike tag, to the donation tag, so you should be familiar with it already. Fold the tag in half, crease it in the back, and you'll notice there's two indications on the tag on where to staple. Before you place the tag on the handlebar, drive the first staple in. These plier style staplers work best. Then place the tag on the right hand side of the bar in all cases. Child's bike, road bike, mountain bike, whatever the case is, place it on the right hand side. You're going to do this in a similar manner to the other tags that are similar in fashion. Drive a second staple on the tag, and this is the way this tag should look, whatever it's on the bike. This will make it readable, make it easy to inventory, and you can see that the regular hang tag can hang just right next to it, and make sure everything's consistent on all the bikes, and make sure they're all tagged in the same fashion. And that's done successfully.